fellow hams, good day mga karadyo. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. For this video, we have the Zastone D500 and I will teach you how to manually save a repeater frequency to the Zastone D500. So first things first, we need to know the frequencies. So the receive and the transmit frequencies. At the same time, if there is CTCS or DCS tone. So we have here the so our receive frequency is 144.000 megahertz, and for the transmit frequency we have the 144.600 megahertz, and for the CTCS tones, it's either transmit or receive. For example, this is 88.5. So let's proceed. Okay, so first we need to save the 144 megahertz. So make sure you are in VFO mode, as you can see on the screen. So VFO. So let's go to let's input the transmit tone. So let's go to menu number 13. So it's the transmit CTCS or the transmit DCS. So for now we will put the 88.5. okay, so when we transmit we can see the CT. Okay, CT icon above. Okay, so to save the frequency to the memory channel, let's go to menu number 40. So we can see the MEM-CH. So if you see the CH first before the corresponding number, it means that channel, that memory channel is occupied. So let's go to number 24. So to confirm, you need to press the menu or the menu key, okay, or this knob. You need to press, okay, press, okay. So let's go to channel number 24, 024. Okay, sorry. Let's back to VFO. Okay, menu. So we see the CH.
July 13th.
Okay, so we can see the CH being shown on the screen. So let's change the channel A. Let's go to frequency. So we can see on the channel mode or the memory mode, the 144 megahertz. So the transmit frequency now, okay, so 144.600. okay, so let's save channel 40, memory mode on 24. So press menu again to confirm. Okay, exit, back to memory mode. So as you can see, fellow hams, we have the duplex icon above in between the high and the wide frequency band. So when we transmit, it goes into 144.600. okay, okay, just like that we manually save a manual on manual the memory we wanted to input. Okay, so let's try again. Let's try the amateur radio repeater frequencies of the DX1 ARM. So shout out to our fellow hams and friends from the DX1 ARM, or the amateur radio movement. This repeater is based on the I guess Rizal. Okay, so let's try on 144880. Okay, they have the okay, let's go to tone. So need to cover that first. Okay, so first we need to save the frequency. Okay, that's the receive frequency and the transmit frequency. Okay, channel 25. Okay, so let's try. Okay, and finally we manually save a repeater frequency to the Zastone D500. So that's it for now, fellow hams. Thank you for watching, and please support my YouTube, TikTok, and our Facebook pages. 73 and mabuhay!